Welcome guys to the next tutorial of the Java programming. So today we are going to learn how to get input from our user. So in the previous video we have learned about printing something in the screen using Java, and in this tutorial we will figure how to get input from the user and print it. So for that make a new class file and let's name it getting input. Oops. Okay, looks good. So one thing I must tell you before that Java is a kind of novel language. Like, it doesn't use any resource that it don't want. So we have to tell it to use a particular resource uh, to perform certain functions. So write this basic code here first. Import Java period util dot scanner, and now under our class let's make our main function here. So public static void main brackets or parenthesis string args and square brackets and braces. So this particular line here is telling Java to import this scanner function here. That's all it means. No need to go about what this Java and util thing is. So we are basically telling Java that we want to use scanner and import it. So in our main function, write scanner and now a variable name. So let's use Shrest equals new scanner and parenthesis. Under it we are going to write system.in and end it with semicolon. So this whole line here is telling us that, okay, so before that what is scanner? Yeah, so scanner is a data type and which tells Java which tells Java to get whatever input the user is entering and store it in a variable, and that's all what it means. So this particular line here is telling that whatever input you get from the user. Okay, so before that we also need to what this system.in mean. So the system, our system uses keyboard to get the input. So this thing here system.in is basically telling that get whatever input we are getting from the keyboard and store it in the scanner variable named Shrest. That's the meaning of this particular line. So now to print this, so in the previous tutorial we have seen that how to print something. So similarly we are going to the same thing. So system dot out dot print parenthesis and name of our variable again dot and next line and parenthesis. So as we know that this system.out.print is used to print something on a screen. So this thing here, the next line, it basically works as it tells the Java to store whatever the user is entering in this Shrest variable and print it in the next line. That's all what it means. So now let's see how it will look when we run our code here. So yeah, hello. So as you can see, I typed hello and this next line function here copied the same thing and printed in the next line. So that's all for this video. See you in the next day.